Alright, welcome to part 2 of EE6. So, we did these ones before, so now we're going to do this kind. I rewrote it because I did something I didn't want to. So, what we're doing here is we've got two parentheses. Each parenthesis has two different things in it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to split this into two. So basically we're going to do two of these at one time. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take the first thing, put -3 on the outside of that one, and then minus 5 root 11 on the outside of the second one. Alright, so you just take the first one and split it into two. This one you're just going to copy into both parentheses. So 3 minus square root of 5, 3 minus square root of 5. Alright, so now we've got two of this kind, right, which we already know how to do. So we're going to distribute. -3 times 3 is -9. Negative is a positive. And then we put 3 on the outside of the square root of 5. For this one, we're going to put there. For this one, we'll do the -5 times the 3. Get -15. And then just put that square root 11 on the back. We do this one. Two negatives make a positive. -5 will go on the outside. Inside we'll have an 11 and a 5. Oops. So we have the 11 there and the 5 from that. Put them both inside. For this one, since we combined 2 on the inside, just make sure you don't have any doubles, right? 11 and 5, I can't do factor trees for those. The only thing they do is 1 times 11 and 1 times 5, which is useless, so we don't need those. So all we gotta do is take all 4 of these and combine them. So what we wanna do is check for like terms, basically. Right? This one would be 5 square root 55. So you wanna see, do I have any other numbers that don't have square roots? No. So that one stays there. Do I have anything else with a square root of 5? No. So bring that one down. Do any of them also have square root of 11? That does not. And then that's the only one left. So just bring that one down. Alright. And then that whole thing, that's all the final answer. There's nothing else we could do to that since all the radicals are different. That's how you do that one. I will do one more here. So same thing. Break this into 2. So 10 and square root 13 on the outside of that. And then just rewrite that inside. Okay. So do your distributing. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 10 is 100 again. This time it has a square root of 5 on the back. For here, we've got a square root and the number, so just write 10 root 13. This one, 13 is inside, so it's going to join the 5, like our 11 did. 13. Alright, 13 doesn't break down, so we can't do any factor trees there. And so there we go. So now we're going to, this one becomes 10 square root of 65. So check for any like terms. Like this is 100 with no square root. All the rest do have square roots, so there's no like terms for the 100. There's no other square root of 5s, so there's no like term for that one. All right, we use those two. Those are not the same, so we're just gonna bring it all down. And that would all be your answer. There you go. If you need any help, again, you can send me a text chat on Google Hangouts, and I will help you out.